I'm gonna take this business from zero to $120,000 a year and document the whole journey on this channel. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to my channel. My name is Munib Mohammed. Alright, so this is going to be a fun video. I'm just going to interact with you in person. So a lot of people are asking me, how do I make money online? Because they understood having a digital business is the future and this is where everything is going, right? And this is where they can have a successful internet business by having a freedom of traveling the whole world, doing the things they like to do. This can give them a chance to have that amazing lifestyle that they always dream about. But unfortunately, not most of the people are making money online because maybe they are following the wrong advice. Maybe they are following the wrong strategy. Maybe they don't have that mindset that requires you to be a successful entrepreneur. So what I thought, what I would do on this channel is to document my whole journey as I start a brand new business from zero to making $120,000 a year with affiliate marketing. Now, what I'm not going to do is I'm not going to buy a whole bunch of inventory. I'm not going to hire anyone to deal with customer support. And I'm also not going to create any service that I could sell. What I'm going to do is just simply promote other people's products and services through my marketing and sales strategies that I have learned over the years. Let other people do all the heavy lifting of creating a product, shipping and handling, customer support, merchant accounts, and all those complicated things. I'm just gonna use my skills on internet to make commissions. So I'm gonna show you what I promote and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna promote it. And of course, if you have any questions, I'm gonna answer all those questions and help you launch this business as well. So I started my entrepreneurial journey in 2017. Before this internet business, I used to buy and sell used cars. I learned that business working as a salesperson in a used car dealership. So when I started my business, I was doing all the hard work on my own, from making 100 sales calls every single day to driving to the customer's door to buy the cars, then taking the car to the mechanic shop, fixing it, then to the detail shop to make it look good, and then selling them off, dealing with all sort of people. Some people were very nice, some people were horrible. Once I remember I was held hostage in my supposedly customer's home for 5 hours. That guy turns out to be a gang member and was trying to sell a stolen car. Well, that's a story for some other day. Anyway, so when the pandemic started, I had to shut that business down, fortunately. And I was trying to start a new business where the whole system is automated because I was so sick and tired of running around and dealing with all the crazy people by physically being there. That's when I came across this business model where on internet, you just have to market other people's products and services and people were making crazy money. And I was like, wow, this is amazing. I want to do this. So I started spending countless hours learning about it, enrolled in too many affiliate marketing courses, spent thousands of dollars in marketing campaigns. And after 8 months, guess how much money I made? Zero. In fact, I lost that money in marketing campaigns and I realized I didn't have enough money now to go anywhere out with my friends and even to pay my bills. I was frustrated. I was disappointed. To be honest, I felt like a loser because this was not the first time I failed. I failed in my previous businesses as well. I failed in school. So I decided this time I'm not gonna quit. I'm gonna try and I'm gonna try much more harder. And something amazing happened. A mentor came in my life who helped me a lot. Then slowly but surely, I became profitable in my business. And I realized how important it is to have someone in your life who have already achieved what you're looking for. Since then, I got too many mentors, one after the other, who transformed everything in my life. Life got much better and I was like, whoa, that's what I always wanted to do. So long story short, since that time, I made decent money, learned a lot from my experience and did pretty cool stuff, So what I'm gonna do on this channel is share everything with you guys. The things that work and also the things that did not work. That way you don't have to go through from all this rough process. I'm gonna answer all your questions and my intentions on this channel is to show you the reality, the facts, what it takes to create real successful business on internet. Now, though I'm doing affiliate marketing from quite some time and this is the first time I have decided to teach how to grow your business successfully, profitably, and most importantly, how to build your own brand as a business. Because what I see most of the affiliate marketers are doing is they're just promoting the product, which is a transactional thing. They're not building their own empire. As a matter of fact, when I check the internet, 95% of the people are failing in this industry because they are not treating this as a business. So if you treat this as some kind of a side hustle, guess what? It's going to treat you back the same way. Okay, that's a big thing. We're going to talk about that in coming videos. Anyhow, the reason I created this channel is to document the whole thing for the next 1 year. It is going to be a phenomenal ride as I'm taking this brand new business from $0 to $120,000 in 1 year just with affiliate commission. So my intention is to show you behind the curtains of how I would do things. By the way, most businesses are not comfortable doing that. So if you like to follow me on this journey, then subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification, because I'm trying my best to post videos like few times in a week, sharing with you how I am building this brand and how I am scaling this business. What are the marketing strategies I'm using? I'm gonna be promoting. I'm also gonna be talking about traffic, sales and persuasion, copywriting, and most importantly, the mindset to become successful. By the way, this could be more worth it to you than a $3,000-$4,000 online course, because I'm holding nothing back here. And if you could help me with the YouTube algorithm and hit that like button and share this video with your loved one, that's gonna be really helpful for me. This is only for entrepreneurs. So if you're looking for some singing, dancing videos, then this thing might not be for you. It's all about business, entrepreneurship, marketing, sales. So instead of talking about it, I'm gonna show you how I would do it. Today is 9th June when I'm recording this video. I'm gonna publish this probably after a day or two, depends on when the editing process is done. Now, can I do this? I think so. I have done some amazing things in this business and I have learned a lot. However, just to show you, I'll be starting from the scratch and documenting the whole thing. It is going to be exciting. My friends, if you enjoy this and likes to be a part of this journey and maybe take some ideas, then comment below and connect with me on all social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and here obviously on YouTube. I want this to be a very valuable channel for you as an entrepreneur. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, because when I post videos, you'll be notified. All right, that's it for now, and I'll see you in the next video.